Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony XAV-701BT car stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the radio not responding, or if it seems frozen, or if it's not connecting to your phone or to your device, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again, and this is really the second reason that you might want to do this, is if you want to set it up again as a new device, like it's just coming out of the box, maybe you're putting it in a new car, or you bought a used one or something like that, we can go ahead and do that. It's real simple. All we need to do is get a paper clip or a pen or pencil or something like that, and we're going to find the reset button, which is a little bit hidden. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's actually right there hiding in plain sight. It's down, if you can see my finger here, down at the bottom to the left of the Sony. There is the small button. So you'll just go in there and press with the tip of your pen or paper clip, hold it for a couple seconds, and it will factory reset your device.